So share your screen and let's see. I hope this
Today
time.
the Wi-Fi is okay.
Why don't you use your hotspot? Is your hotspot working? Can you hear me?
Yes, please. Said
I
is
think
it it's best.
your internet. I don't know what's happening to your internet. Are you using your hotspot?
Yes, I just swapped it, that's why.
That's why I told you always use your hotspot. Your Wi-Fi I don't trust. Yeah.
I don't
Okay.
know if it's a
So
distance or the something.
okay. Yeah, it can be the distance. Where is it located? Is it
Because
in your living room?
now I'm saying the distance between us, because like even with the hotspot, is my phone is right next to the desktop. Yeah, like it's even breaking a little bit.
Yes. I think maybe it's generally a network problem.
Yes, I don't think in my household, but I think in Ghana. Ghana and
Yeah.
their network, hallelujah. So I'm sure the network over there is very fast.
Oh, yes, it is super, super fast.
Oh my goodness. Ghana and our network. No, I said we'll get there too. We'll get there too.
Oh, yes. Very soon you move to the United States, so you don't have a problem. So
Yes,
Excel
very
expert,
soon.
Excel
No, I
expert,
said one day I'll come and visit you.
no problem. I'll be more than happy to host you.
Oh, thank you, sir.
No
Yeah,
problem.
I'll just be say you just be there and then you hear and knock at your door. I'm like, hey, who is that? Who is that? Ah, you and I open the door, you see me.
Okay. And so far you've enjoyed the practice test, right?
No, sir. This practice test, I'm even scared for the exams because this practice is fried my brain.
Yeah, that's Excel expert for you. You want to be an expert, you need to do the
I,
difficult stuff.
I don't want to learn, like I want to be an expert, but not to the extent that it's like what do you call I was the one who what you call coded the software, and I now have to learn everything about the software. Like I need to even correct the errors in the software. That doesn't make
Yes,
sense. I want to be
you
it.
have to correct
That's great.
mistakes in formulas and all of that. So that's the job of an expert.
Hey,
Using XLOOKUPs and vein lookups, index match, average ifs,
yes.
sum ifs.
Hey, hey, hey,
Uh,
hey, hey,
it,
hey.
it will be good for you.
This week is my revision week,
Okay.
and my
Oh,
first paper is ICT practical.
ICT. That's good. And I know
Okay,
you
fine.
make the star that I know,
Yes.
hands down.
I
So
think we're doing
uh, create a pivot
already.
chart on a new worksheet that displays the data from the employee records sheet. Do not show the first and last name field in the report. Make status a legend field, office in the axis field, and sum of ID a value field. So you're going to create a pivot chart. It's a pivot chart, not a pivot table.
It's
You need
chart.
to listen. Pivot
Okay,
chart.
chart.
But have you
I don't know
selected
what
the data range? Have you selected your data range? How
to
do you
the whole.
select? Because you've included the headings at the top. I don't think it's right for you to do that. So you need to start from row number 6 all the way down.
Okay, but chart on a new
Do you
sheet
understand?
that displays the data from the employee. Yes, sir. Do not show the first field in the report. Make status of legend. Okay, so pivot charts. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's my first time using this. It says
Okay.
so. It says new.
Worksheet. Okay.
Yes. Do not show the first and last name field in the report. Make status a field, a legend field, and office and access field, and sum of ID. I feel like we're supposed to include the header.
And the header is already included, isn't it?
No, I selected from 7, so I have to include the header.
But the system will only select from where the values are, which is fine.
So I have to select. So say why is that some of them they require to select the header and the data, but some of them just the data.
That's Excel for you. That is Microsoft for you.
Oh, that's not
So
fair.
no, I think okay. Now hit on okay. Hit on okay, and let's
Okay.
see what's gonna happen. Okay.
It says do not show the full name.
No,
The report.
no,
Make status.
you should select the header because you
Yes,
don't
that's
see that. Yes. So delete the sheet, or you're resetting the
okay.
question.
That's why I just make it.
Okay.
I was
So mhm.
like, yes, because it did say do not show the.
So you need to select. No. Select the range. Start from okay. You've done that. Okay. Hit on okay.
Yes. And then it says status as a legend field. Okay, so I think here. And then ID, and then office as the access field. And then sum of ID as a value field. So I think that is it.
Good.
Let's check if it's correct. And
Yeah,
it's correct.
that is it.
Yay.
All done.
Okay. Yay. Okay. In the employees, let me hide this. In the employee records table worksheet, rearrange the pivot table field to not show office in any field and show in order of so office in any field and show order of status first name and last name, status first name and last name and ID in the row labels field. Okay, so it says you have to move office, remove field,
Uh-huh.
and then it says to status and then first name and then ID. I think that is it. It has to be that. Yes, it's correct.
Good.
In the employee records table worksheet, insert a slider for the office field. Change the slider caption to read office shown. Use the slider to filter the pivot table to only show records from offices in Arizona, Ottawa,
Utah,
and
Utah and
Utah,
Washington.
Washington. So we have to go to this and just tape sliders. I haven't, and insert a slider
Insert
in
a
the office
slicer.
field.
Slicer. So
Slicer. First
you
time
need to,
hearing it.
yes, you need to focus on the contextual tab. Then you can find the slicer. Take your time, look for it.
Slice.
Slicer.
Okay.
You need to look at the tools within the groups to find your slicer. But just moving too
Yes.
fast. Start from your left, move gradually, you will find it.
Okay. I don't know if it's. Is this what office?
They're looking for
Uh,
slicer. So look for
said
slicer. Mhm. Slicer for what? For the
office.
office.
And
Then
it
you
says
show what?
instead of slicer for office field, change the slicer caption to read office.
So slicer caption, where do you go? Look at the contextual tab of the slicer to
Okay.
change it. Slicer caption,
Shown.
offices, offices shown. There is an S. Offices shown.
Oh, offices shown, sorry. Enter. And then
Now,
use a set
want to
to
say
the
only
pivot.
Arizona, and what? Utah.
So I have to select, deselect, okay.
Arizona, Utah, and what? Washington. That's it. So it's more like a filtering tool. That's the use of the slicer to filter your pivot table. Okay.
No, okay. So that is wrong. Let's check the hint. Okay, so in the employee record table, okay, so like, yes, I was on the right track. Then you said offices. Okay, okay, and then, but I tapped the right thing. Sure.
No, you see, when you hit a space, you create a space for the offices shown. After you've typed your N, you don't need to hit a space. Do you
Oh, okay,
understand?
okay. Yes.
So you need to
And
remove that space from there.
I
Okay.
moved it.
Okay.
Oh, see if I, okay, after.
That's it. You did the right thing. It's fine.
I just added a space to it. Let's see. In the financial service worksheet, create this one here. Macro that formats the row heights to be 30 points and changes the font size to 12. Name the macro height, and store it in this workbook. Run this macro in the cell range A3 to G9. So I think you have to select A3 to G9.
Okay. But you need to record your macro. So where do you go to record a macro?
I think is it view? Yeah.
So you need to record a macro. So what is the name of the macro?
Height. Height.
Okay. So you hit on
And
OK, and now you're dealing with row height. Did you record it?
yes, I'm recording it.
You are recording. Okay. So, okay, it's recording. That's fine. So now we need to work on the row height to be 12 points. So how do you do the row height to be 12 points so that it captures, the recording captures it? Row height.
Hey, wait.
Row height.
No.
Mhm. 30. 30 points. So row height is 30 points. And the font size is what? It's 12.
12.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And then I think that's
Now,
it.
yes, now you go and stop the recording. So what you should have done is to do the recording, then you later go and apply it. But you applied the process to the range. So now if you want to apply, you click on view macros, then you can run it. Are you following? And you click on
Yes. So I should have done
right.
it to the whole.
No, you should have selected any cell apart from the A3 to G9, but I'm sure they will give it to you anyway. If they don't, then we come back to do it again. So you
But
are
they give it
recording
to
the,
me.
they'll give it to you, yes. So you are recording the process so that you don't need to go through the process again. Then once you run it, it's applied. Okay?
Okay.
Is it okay? Are you sure?
Yes, please. In the final.
Okay.
Yes, I get it. Thank you. I think I get it. This I don't really use it that much, so
Yeah, it's expert.
I
So
get what in the microservice worksheet create in the okay, in the financial services worksheet create a macro that applies a currency number format and a blue gradient data um bar bar room name the macro formatting and store it in this work in and store it in only this workbook. Apply the macro to the data in the financial data. Note, accept
okay.
all other default settings.
Okay, so what we're going to do is select a new cell, let's say A28, go all the way down so that when anywhere is fine. Yes, so that you can record a macro from there. What's
Says
the name of the
formatting.
macro? Formatting.
Formatting.
Okay, okay. I hit on OK,
Then,
and the recording has started, right?
then apply currency numbers.
Uh-huh. So
Yeah.
currency number.
It says
So
apply.
the currency number format. So now where do you go to apply the currency? Which button do you click to get a currency? Uh-huh. No. Currency. So you finish with the first step, right?
Yeah.
And add a blue gradient data bar rule. So you go and apply that blue gradient data bar rule. You've done that. Good. So you finished. So now you need to stop the macro. So now it's been saved. Okay.
Yes. And it
So
says
now they
apply.
apply the macro to the financial data. So the financial data. Mhm. Hold on. Hold on. Go and click on the name box, the drop down for the name box. Let me check if there is financial data there. Okay, there's
No.
nothing. Okay, that's fine. I thought maybe they've named the range. So now go and apply the macro. So you view the macros, then you run. Boom, like that. Does that make sense?
Yes, please. Did we get it?
So
Yes, we got it.
yes. So you record a macro, you record the steps so that you can apply it to other locations of your document.
Then I will use this macro thing for my exam.
It depends on the kind of question you are being asked to answer.
So because you see
So
sometimes you have to do multiple formatting for like many of the cells and it's the same thing. So instead of me to do like okay, like manually, I can just
yes,
record and open apply.
record it, then apply it to the ranges, which is a brilliant idea. Okay, as an Excel expert. Good.
In
So in the
family for
Mhm.
sorry, in the family project, in the family budget worksheet, in any open cells, create a button, form, control, name, set data bars, and assign a button to the set data bars macro and run it.
Mhm.
It says
In
in
any
any,
open cell. So in any open cell, it can be anywhere, any
yeah,
cell.
it says
Create
what? Create,
a button form control. So if
uh,
it's about form controls, then you are essentially looking at the developer tab. That is where we have form controls.
okay,
Okay.
so yes, please.
A button form control. Hmm. And you need to go and click and drag to draw in that empty cell. You selected, go back again. Okay.
It's even here.
Button. And you assign it to what? You assign it
Okay,
to
set
name it what? Set data bars, right?
says even there.
Okay. Set data bars and assign the button to the set data bars. Wait. Hit on OK first. So assign the button to the set data bars macro. So you see, we have set data bars macro, which is down
Yeah,
there. So
yes.
click on it. Uh-huh. Then type, okay. Okay, hit on OK. Hit on OK. Hit on OK. So you've assigned it. So the
Yeah.
button's name, you need to change it to set data bar. So you double tap in it, and then you type the name. Does that make sense?
Yes, please. What does it do?
So when you run the macro, then you will know. So
Enter.
stretch it. Now you see. So once you run it, it gives you that conditional formatting macro. Does that make
This
sense?
conditional formatting, yes. So this conditional
Yeah.
formatting is not formatting.
It is
Hey,
formatting. Eh,
they have divided it. So it's formatting, half is formatting. Hey, this people, why they want to come and blow my brain out.
eh,
In the sales orders worksheet, modify the spin button values to be between 1 and 100 and change in in
Increment of one.
and I've seen increments before. Oh my goodness. It says
And they're giving
modify
you mhm, spin button.
spin.
So where's the
Yes.
spin button?
I don't know.
The spin button is those two buttons. The two
Ah,
buttons, yes. So that's your spin button. So you need to make changes to it, to the properties of it. You are there.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So when you click, what do you see?
When I click this,
Right. Have you seen properties over there?
yeah.
Go to properties again. Something popped
Uh,
up. That's it. Okay. So they said what? The values to be between one and what? 100.
100.
100. And incremental changes what?
One.
One. Now you hit on OK. So once you use the buttons, you click on the buttons, it will increase by 1, 2, 3, 4 in that order. Does that make
Yay.
sense?
Yes, I get it. Well, that's
So
quite interesting and easy.
yes. So as an Excel expert, you need to understand how to use a developer tool for your work. How to use
Yes.
PivotChart, PivotTables, slices. average
Yeah.
if, count
Yes.
if, sum ifs, X lookup, V lookup, H lookup,
Use
uh,
X lookup and lookup and H
then
lookup.
index match, okay, dated
Yeah.
if functions and all of that. But as you continue to practice, you become better at it. Okay.
Thank you, sis. Please, this
So
question fried my brain. I had to do
do it.
re
Do it again. Okay.
create a new worksheet named Office Expenses. Place this sheet right after Office
Office
record.
records.
Yeah, and
Okay.
automatically do that. In the new worksheet in cell A1, enter the column title expenses. In A2,
Mhm,
consolidate the data in the Office records
mhm,
worksheet from cells A10, or and then using
mhm.
the sum function, add the labels from the left
The
column.
left column.
Oh
It's not
my god.
difficult. It's not difficult. So we are creating a new office expenses, right?
Yes.
Good. We've done that. Well done. Now we go to what? A1, enter the column title expenses. Okay. Now let's go to A2. So A2 is where we do the data consolidation. And it's about what?
Yes.
Data.
Yes.
It's
Data,
about
sorry.
data. So we
Constant.
have data. Mhm. Consolidate.
Cons-
No, no, no. Hold on. I don't want you to click. Go back to consolidate. I want you to read what is there. Mhm,
Summarize data from separate ranges, consolidating the results in a single output range. For example, if
mhm,
you have a worksheet of expense figures for each of your regional offices, you might use a consolidation to rule up these figures into a corporate expense worksheet. Too much
okay.
English.
Okay. So what it means is, let's look at employee records. Sorry, let's go to office records. Let's look at office records.
Hallelujah.
So
Oh,
with office records, can you see from A10 to
A10.
B23? Have you seen A10
Yes.
to B23? Select that range. I want you to select that range to B23, not C23. A10
Sorry.
to B23. Select it. Okay. Now, if you check the other sheet, this is Washington office. Virginia office, they also have the same expenses, right? And they have the
Yes, but
same, the same, the same categories, right?
yes.
So if you're using data consolidation, we want to maintain the expenses column, advertising to utilities, but we want to add up the associated expenses for all the other offices into one. That
Oh,
is why
so
we
it's
use data consolidation for that purpose.
oh, so you're merging all of it's like you
All the,
summing up all the
yes,
data.
that is it, from all the
Um,
various offices. Does that make sense now?
yes, please. That's
Okay,
so
so let's
confusing.
go to office expenses. Now data consolidation. So now you click, you have an understanding. We are summing, right? They said sum.
Yeah, it says
So
add
we
the
are using
labels from the left column, so you have to select
uh,
this.
let's column. So the reference. So you click on it and you go to the office records. Now you move it somewhere. You click, you drag all the way. So that is done, right?
Yes,
Now
and
you
you
click on
add.
add. Now you go and do it for the other office, which is
It
what,
says
Virginia,
E10. Yeah, E
E10. Uh-huh.
to E20,
Now you add.
and then
Now you move on to the next, which is A30,
A30,
which is Utah office. Uh-huh. Now you add.
and then
Now you go and do E30, which is New York office. You
says
add. Okay. You do the same for
Arizona.
Okay.
And then and then the last one is
A70 all the way to
yes.
B83. You add. So now once you hit on OK, it should pull up, add all the values. Now you can expand the column. You see, easy peasy.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
So that is the
Thank
use of data consolidation. So if you happen to see this in the final exam of your Excel expert, then you know how to go about it. So understanding it
yes.
is important. Are you
Thank you,
okay?
sir. Yes, please, I
Good.
understand it.
Good. So now this is what you're going to do. You're going to finish the test. Then I want you to do this under testing mode within 15 minutes where you complete all the 29 tasks for the Excel
Okay, sir.
experts and get 1,000
Okay.
over 1,000. Is that clear?
Yeah, you got yes, please. You got out.
Yes, you got 1,000. You got 1,000, right? How many minutes
Yes.
did you spend? An hour and 39 minutes
Yes.
because you were learning. I understand. Now that you've
Yes.
gotten 1,000, you're going to do the same test in 50 minutes or less and get 1,000. Does that
It's
make
okay.
sense?
Yes, please.
Aha. So if you have the strength and you want to do it now, you can go ahead to do it. Or
I think
you can do
I'll
that
do
maybe
it now.
tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So start a new test,
So
then
tomorrow,
I'll leave you.
we'll,
I'll leave
so
you to
would
do
we,
it. We will meet. We will meet. Okay,
so
let's
let
see
me
how
just
it
do it.
goes. Okay.
So the test was
Bye-bye.
I said, thank you.
You're welcome.